Property policies and property rules are a set of guidelines or the rules defined by you that give travelers a better understanding about your offerings and services. It is a great way to set the right guest expectations and provide them with relevant information before they check into your property. Under the Policies section of Property tab in the Ingommt extranet, you can define cancellation policies, property rules, notices, child age and post-booking policies. You can choose the date range for which you want to define the policy and apply the free cancellation policy for up to 24 hours, 48 hours or 72 hours. You can also choose to create your own custom policy and charge the guest on percentage or night basis. However, we recommend you to offer flexible cancellations as guests prefer properties offering free cancellation, and on our websites, traveler can even use a filter to book properties offering free cancellation. In the Property Rules section, you can define detailed rules for your property and provide substantial information to help travelers in their decision to book a property. In the different sections, you can mention details like guest profile, property restrictions, pet policy, etc. You can also mention additional text in the Custom Policy section. Defining property rules are very critical for your properties as travelers would probably make booking if they agree to your property rules. In the Notices section, you can notify your guest about important information like swimming pool or Wi-Fi is not working. You can also update information around gala dinner or other activity charges. In the child age and post-booking policies, you can configure different child age ranges, thereby defining free child, paid and paid adult, and accordingly update charges on the rates and inventory screen. Allowing the name change means that the guest can leverage the flexibility of changing the name of primary traveler before the check-in date. You can define your property in the best possible ways by elaborating on house rules and policies. This will persuade travelers to choose a stay at your property and have a delightful experience.